What actually happens when your stomach growls? A lot of people think it means you're starving, but that's not exactly true. So what's really making that sound? I'll tell you. But first, if your stomach has ever embarrassed you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. Even when you're not eating, your stomach and intestines keep moving. They squeeze and relax to clear out leftover food, air, and liquid. When there's no food inside, those movements are louder. The air and liquid get pushed around, creating vibrations you can hear. How many times did I say stomach?